The wait is finally over. Honda has officially brought back one of the most iconic middleweight motorcycles ever made, the 2026 Honda CB400 SUPER FOUR. And this isn't just a simple update. It features an all-new engine, second-generation Honda e-clutch, a lighter chassis, modern electronics, and according to Honda, performance that even surpasses the legendary Hyper VTEC. So, what exactly has changed? Let's dive in. At the heart of the new CB400 SUPER FOUR is a completely redesigned Inline-Four engine. Honda has introduced throttle-by-wire technology, reduced internal friction, increased the compression ratio, and redesigned the valve layout to deliver smoother power across the entire rev range. Perhaps the biggest surprise is that Honda has moved away from the famous Hyper VTEC system. Instead of relying on valve switching, the new electronic engine management delivers strong performance from low RPM all the way to redline, creating a more seamless and exciting riding experience. Power is now rated at an impressive 58 horsepower, while still meeting today's strict emissions regulations, a remarkable achievement for a naturally aspirated 400 cubic centimeters Inline-Four. To make the experience even more engaging, Honda also fine-tuned the intake system and paired it with a 421 exhaust, giving the new CB400 a richer induction sound and the unmistakable scream that Inline-Four fans love. Another major highlight is the second-generation Honda e-clutch. The system automatically manages clutch operation during shifting, while still allowing riders to use the clutch lever whenever they want. Downshifts are now smoother thanks to automatic throttle blipping that perfectly matches engine speed. Honda has also added intelligent half-clutch control, helping stabilize the motorcycle during sudden deceleration or when riding over rough roads. In short, it's designed to make every ride smoother, safer, and more enjoyable without taking away the feeling of riding a real manual motorcycle. The new CB400 also comes equipped with a 5-inch full-color TFT display, Honda RoadSync smartphone connectivity, navigation guidance, music control, call notifications, and a USB Type-C charging port as standard. Honda didn't stop with the engine. The motorcycle now rides on a completely redesigned steel diamond frame with improved mass centralization, helping reduce overall weight to just 187 kilograms, around 14 kilograms lighter than the previous generation. Suspension has also received a major upgrade with upside-down cartridge front forks and a ProLink rear suspension, promising sharper handling while maintaining everyday comfort. Visually, Honda has successfully preserved the classic CB identity while giving it a more muscular fuel tank, premium details, and a modern finish that perfectly blends heritage with today's technology. The 2026 Honda CB400 SUPER FOUR proves that legends don't have to stay in the past. With a brand new Inline-Four engine, second-generation e-clutch, modern electronics, lighter weight, and stronger performance, Honda has reinvented one of its most beloved motorcycles for a new generation. So, what do you think? Is this the best CB400 ever built? Or do you still prefer the legendary Hyper VTEC?